What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna fix my Cadillac with these channel locks. Come on. It's been a while, you guys. Good old Maryland, you know. Last week we had like 6 inches of snow. This week, get in here. This week we have 70 degrees. Thomas, shout out Thomas Miata. He helped me fix my throttle body, replace the throttle body. But after I did that, this fuel line right here was leaking, so we're gonna go and replace this fuel line. Oh, I think you left it off. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna undo these and go get a new line and see if she starts back up. Alright, so we're gonna go, there's this place, I was just gonna order this line, but there's a place local that we can get this hose. And oh, here. So we're gonna try to go get that hose. I'm gonna get a little bit longer so it doesn't flex as much, and then hopefully the caddy starts. We're praying. Comment down below if you want the caddy to start. You gotta give her some what's that word?
Good luck.
Some motivation. You gotta give her some good luck, motivation to get her started. So let's go. All right, we made it to Jordan. Let's see what they got in there.
A few moments later.
All right, well, we tried jumping it, no luck. So I'm gonna take the battery out, replace the battery, see if that works. We got the new hose line here. It's a little bit longer, so it's got a little bit better slack, but I'm gonna replace this battery and then see how it goes from there. $200 later. All right, moment of truth. Check for leaks. No leaks. Got a little bit of stuff, probably oil or something burning back there. It's probably just burning off the headers. It's from sitting. Live. She's live. Hopefully this tire fills up. I think the other ones are good. True test here though is to see if this new throttle body worked. The other one I think was broken, which caused it to like stutter. But we're gonna put some air in this tire and then we're gonna take it for a ride and then we can clean this thing up. Be all right. These fuel lines that we put in be nice and tight, no leaks. Okay. It's been a while. It's been a while. So we're gonna take her for a little spinny spin. Hopefully this throttle body worked, because if it didn't, it's gonna suck. I feel like there's flat spots in the tire. It's definitely bouncy. Trans feels all right. Seems to be doing all right now. Missed that. You guys don't even know how much I missed that. Feels good. Haven't been in this thing in so long. tires because this thing's been sitting for a couple months. Some of this old gas out though. Oh, it's been a while. It's been a while with this thing, you guys. I'm just trying to take it in, enjoy it. So I'm definitely probably gonna raise it up though because it's, I don't know, it's just really low, and they put a lot of speed bumps where I live now, so it only makes sense. Give her a nice interior, exterior wash. She's gonna be mint back where she used to be. Probably clean it out today. I don't know. Everything seems to be working fine. Miss Karen's looking at me. It's so crazy. I'm so used to the Escalade now. So like I'm used to being like way higher up, and this thing's so low, it just looks weird. Oh, there's our first scrape. Probably gonna do new belts too. I'm gonna do tires and alignment. She's back, baby.
Yeah, baby. Daddy's hype!
This is great. This thing's so loud it just breaks everybody's neck. Come on, you bloody. There was these two homeless guys on the bench that were just like, get it, get it. We're back, baby! We're back! Oh yeah. We're gonna be seeing the caddy lot. I'm on the beard in a minute, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a cop right. Well, there was a cop. He's driving past, but she's back.